Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kola. For the newcomers and for the returning subscribers, welcome. In today's video we are going to be doing a video about black spots, acne scars, or even for even tone. You can still use the recipe that I will show you today, and we are going to be using a potato and lemon juice. Potato is rich in potassium and also vitamin C, and also lemon is a great source of vitamin C. As you know, vitamin C is good for even tone and or even for fading scars. So guys, stay tuned to the end so you can know this recipe and hope it will all work for you. Welcome. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can use potato on your face to remove dark spot and acne scars on your face. Without wasting much time, I'll be showing you the first method. The first method, you can take slices of potato like this, and just rub them on your skin like this. Just rub it on your skin. Take the other one and rub on your skin. And just rub on your skin like that. So after rubbing it on your skin like that, you can just massage it in. Leave it for 30 minutes and wash off. And let's wait for the second method. So the second method, as we have shown you, I've grated potato, removed the juice, and then I added some lemon juice on the mixture. So you can just pick a cotton wool, dip them inside that mixture like this, let it soak. After soaking, apply it on your face evenly. Yes, after applying like that, you can just leave that potato on your face to dry off. Potato has a vitamin C and also has a what is it called, potassium, that will help in bleaching the, not really bleaching, but removing the dark spot and also fading off the dark scars. So guys, this is a very effective method. You can do this consistently for 7 days and all your black spot will fade away. Let's wait for 30 minutes, then we wash off. As you can see, it has dried off. I was trying to remove this whitish. So guys, let's wash off and see. Wow, look at the results. This is so amazing. Look at that. Ish. Look at that. So guys, if you have dark spot, any black spot anywhere, you can use this method. But for this method to work, never be cheated. Even for other marks like stretch marks, it needs a lot of consistency. So you do today, tomorrow, again and again and again, for you to get good or the results that you want. As you can see, it has left my skin glowing. Yeah.